Yan. Hello. Welcome kids to our English class online. I am your teacher Airene. Okay. So today we will answer the question, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Okay. Hello teacher. What do you want to eat? Hi, teacher Airene. What do you want to eat? You can ask me like that, okay? Number one, popcorn. Popcorn. A sundae. A sundae. In McDonald's, they have crackers. Crackers. Cookies. Cookies. A muffin. A muffin. A pretzel. A pretzel. Ice cream bar. Ice cream bar. Ice cream. Ice cream. A popsicle. A popsicle. Cake. Cake. A donut. A donut. Pie. Pie. Candy bar. Candy bar. Potato chips. Potato chips. Nachos. Nachos. Pudding. Pudding. Peanuts. Peanuts. Jello. Jello. Okay, now let's answer the question, okay? What do you want to eat? You can answer, I want to eat ice cream. Okay, so you are going to look at the picture. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? It's a donut. What do you want to eat? I want to eat donut. Very good. What do you want to eat? Ah, yes, I want to eat potato chips. What do you want to eat? I want to eat peanuts. That's right. What do you want to eat? I want to eat popcorn. So for your worksheet this week, you're going to answer this worksheet number 8. What do you want to eat? Okay. So write your name, your number, your grade 4/1, 4/2, or 4/3, and then put your number. Okay. So this is for grade 4. Okay. So what do you want to eat? I want to eat salad. So you're going to write here, you're going to write the question, or sometimes you're going to write the answer, or sometimes you will draw the pictures. Okay, so all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to draw the picture. Okay, so thank you so much kids for your listening attentively today. Okay, and for watching our videos. See you again next time. Goodbye.